Want your video quality to be high definition like this? Okay, this is how I made it. Hello, welcome to Chad Time Projects. On this occasion, I will explain how to make your videos look more HD. First step, record your video using any action. And I recommend that when taking video, position the object closer to the camera. To make this video, I used the Capcut application. Let's do it! The first step is to open Capcut and insert the video you have recorded. And then cut the video to the length you want. Set the size ratio you use in your video, and I use 16:9 in my video. Drag the screen and adjust it. Copy your video and place one in the overlay feature. And now you have the same video in main video and overlay. Click on the overlay section, look for the cutout feature, and select removed background. Wait until the process is complete. And then enter the effects. Select lens. And then select blur effect. Adjust the effect to the length of your video, then set the blur level. I recommend number 15. Select the layer and place the effect on the main video. Click on the overlay section, then select the adjust feature. Select sharpen, then set it to 35. Then your video will look more HD. That's all my tutorial. See you in the next video.